Boobsy ang talent dito sa
My
Comedy
God, she's
Junction.
so talented.
Magugulat ka, bes. Ito pa, palapakan din natin si Wendell!
Wendell!
Yo, yo, yo!
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Raymond.
Ako po si Wendell. Magpalakpakan po tayong lahat.
Welcome to Dubai and Merry Christmas to all.
On Christmas, we always have this Christmas wish.
Okay.
Actually, I have 3 wishes. My first wish is world peace. Ikaw?
World War.
My
May dalaw.
second wish is sa loto manalo. What's your wish?
Mawala ka.
Alam mo, negatibo ka talaga.
Oo, daot ka sa negosyo ko eh. Imbis na sa akin mapunta, napupunta sa iyo eh.
Well, bakit? Can you blame me na mas magaling ako kumpara sa'yo?
Ay, hindi naman ako papayag naman. Teka, matagal na rin ang...
Hindi lang ako stand-up comedian. During daytime, I'm also a teacher.
Eh, ano naman kung teacher ka?
Oo.
Hindi mo naman ako estudyante.
Kailangan ko educate ang mga tao dito kasi kahit saan ako magpunta, like for example, may nakikita ko sa Alriga, all you can eat. It's not all you can eat, it's eat all you can, right?
Tama.
Kapag pumunta pa naman ako sa malls, it's not store timings, it's store hours, di ba?
Tama, tama.
I am an English teacher. I teach basic sentence patterns like SLVC, subject linking verb complement, STVDO, subject transitive verb direct object, STVIO, subject transitive verb indirect object, SIV, subject intransitive verb. Alam mo ba yon?
Hindi.
Hindi mo alam?
Bakit? Kung English teacher ka, singer ako.
O ano naman?
Magaling ako kumanta, hello.
That's the reason why I am here also because I am also a singer. Gusto niyo ba ng showdown?
Ano ba ang kaya mong kantahin? Sige, ako mag-a-adjust para sa'yo.
Ikaw bahala. Have it your way.
This is the moment, hello.
Oh.
Martin Rivera yan.
Sige nga.
Forte ko yan, no?
Simulan mo. Martin, Eric yun, no? Hello.
Kinanta rin ni Martin. Ba't niyo ba ako inaaway? Sige, pasok mo yan. Tingnan natin kung may kalagyan ka dito.
Sige, Gora.
This is the moment. This is the day when I send all my doubts and demons on their way. Every endeavor I have made effort is coming into play. Is here and now today. This is the moment, this is the time when the momentum and the moments are arrive. Give me this moment, this precious chance. I'll gather up my past and make some sense at last. This is the moment when all I've done, all of the dreaming, scheming and screaming becomes one. This is the day. See it sparkle and shine when all I live for becomes mine. For all disease, I face the world alone, and now the time has come to prove to them I've made it on my own.